Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation here.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Lily.
Yes, 1 standard room, 2 nights. May I also see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Blue. Your room is ready. Room 305, 3rd floor. Here is your key card. Breakfast 7 to 10 a.m. and Wi-Fi password is on the envelope.
Oh, yes, I see it. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. Do you have a gym here? Is it free for guests?
Yes, gym on the 2nd floor, opens 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., completely free for all guests.
Nice. I will try it tomorrow.
We also have a rooftop swimming pool with a beautiful city view, open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I will visit it for sure.
Hello, I'd like room service. Eggs, bread, butter, tea with a little milk, no sugar, and bananas and oranges, please.
Perfect. Confirmed. Room 305, ready in 20 to 25 minutes.
Great! I wait. I'm a little hungry. Oh, wonderful. It smells amazing. Thank you so much.
The TV isn't working. No signal at all.
Please try pressing this button on the remote.
Oh, yes. I can see the channels now. It's working. Yes, much better now. Also, could I have 2 more towels, please?
Of course. I'll bring them shortly. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. The room is so comfortable.
I really enjoyed my stay. The room was clean and the service was excellent. I'll pay by card.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt. Shall I call a taxi?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
Your taxi is on its way. We hope to see you again. It was a pleasure, Lily.
I hope so too. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily. Have a safe and happy journey.